Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Let's Decode Code Recode with Titus. In this episode, we are going to learn how to make your HTML pages into real websites. For that, you can log into infinityfree.com. So you can make a note of it, infinityfree.com. And if you don't have an account, here you can click the register now button and you can create your account. So this particular web hosting is it's completely free, as well as the premium service is also there. So we are going to utilize the free hosting services that is provided by infinityfree.com. So click register now, and when you're going to click register now, it's going to lead you to this particular landing page wherein you can enter your email ID and create your own passwords to create your account, whereas you can use your Google account for logging up as well. And it also provides you provision for using your GitHub account also. I personally have used my work mail ID, and I have given permissions for it, and I have created an account in infinityfree.com. So this is your landing page once you log in into infinityfree.com. If you could see this, during the first step there won't be any websites, or I should say any domain names that is registered with you. That's why it's saying there is no accounts yet. For that, you're supposed to click the button called create account over here, the violet color button. So infinityfree.com, first we have created our account and we have entered. However, for the websites to be made, we are supposed to create an account. So please click the create account. Once this create account is there, you will be landing in this particular page wherein you can opt for the free version of Infinity Free services. So it offers 5 GB of disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains. So you can click the violet color create now button and make it up. As you progress, when you're going to make a professional website, you can go in for other kind of premium services that is being offered by infinityfree.com. So when you're going to give create now, it will quickly take you to the next page wherein you're supposed to enter a subdomain and you can select the domain names. So these are the various domain names that is being offered in infinityfree.com. This is nothing but your website name. So for my students, I would recommend use your register number, and you can opt for infinityfreeapp.com, this particular domain name. So if you are going to do that, so you will be your domain name will be, or your website name will be in this particular format. I have opted titusI.infinityfreeapp.com. So the subdomain over here is TitusI, whereas my students in the university, you might have your register number. So other users, you can use any of the desired usernames. So once you're going to choose the subdomain, you'll be checking for availability. If availability is there, it proceeds on to this particular page wherein you're supposed to have an account password. This is used for, I should say, your local website logins inside, as well as for FTP operations. So you can create your own password or it will be auto generated, and you are mandated to give your mail consent. So once you are going to give this, the account will be created, though it states that it takes 72 hours for making the website to become live. It takes merely minutes to come online. So once this is done, you'll be quickly landed into this particular page. If you could remember, in the first page when we logged in, we had no website at all here. Now if we could see that the website which I have created is going to come here. So I'll quickly jump into the website. So let me go to my browser, so wherein you can see that I am inside my domain area, wherein you can see my hosted site. So I'm going to click my domain name, And you might ask, sir, where will I upload my web page? That's the objective of this particular video. So here you can go click manage. Okay, besides your domain name, there is an option called manage. Please click that. So once you do click that, here there will be an option called open file manager. So when you're going to open up your file manager, it will take you to a file manager window, wherein uh, pardon me, yeah, we are going to redo it once again. There's a sort of an error. Let's quickly go check it out. So let me check freeapp.com. Yes, let me go to open file manager. Yes, so this is the sort of window you could see, wherein I have hosted a certain number of files. When you are going to log in, you would just find index2.html and this particular file. No other files will be there. And for your quick understanding, even if you're going to install any servers inside your system, say for example, XAMPP, in XAMPP you're going ahead with Apache server, where do I host my websites? There will be a folder called HTalks. This is the place where you're supposed to host your websites. So please understand, there might not be any other files. These files are uploaded by me, and all other files has to be inside the folder called HTTalks. It's a mandate. And please don't fiddle with all these HT access files and override files. These are, I should say, the mandate of the particular servers. So once you are inside, your landing page might be, you can go and visit your website. In fact, when this is your actual website name which you have created up, so go ahead, copy it, paste it here, and initially, right, all you need to do is give this an enter. But I'm going to show you what will be your first page first time. So when you're going to create your first domain name and when you're going to give your website address, this is going to be getting displayed like this. So this means that your website is hosted and it's ready, right? So once that is done, what you can do is you can start uploading files in this particular place. All you need to do is drag a file and drop it inside, and it will quickly follow it up. Or else what you can do, you can give right click it and you can either add folders or you can add new files, and you can add, say for example, myfile.html, right? So in which you can even start editing contents inside. You can put your contents here, right, your HTML content over here, copy and paste it, and you can either give control S or you can use the save button that is located in the bottommost corner, and you can close the files by pressing close. So you could see that I have created the file called uh, myfile.html. It's successfully created. So this is how you're supposed to upload your files. Now, sir, you might ask me, sir, I want to have a default file to get loaded up every time. So for that, you're supposed to create a file called index.html, wherein you can have, I should say, a simple web page, that is a pointer web page that could be made out here. So here I have given a few basic contents that is given for my class. So this is what I am expecting from my students from their end. So they will be giving in their details over here, and for every practical they will give the link of where the file is. So thus you have made a successful website, and you have transformed your normal HTML page from your system hosted into infinityfreeapp.com, wherein it is a full-fledged website. Congratulations on this. We'll meet up in a next video. Thank you.